So overall in the financial world, there are different approaches to money and money management. Okay, you have the fundamental approach, which essentially is looking to find the value of a company, find the numbers that they believe show that that company is undervalued or overvalued. And they're going to be studying and analyzing the company and the key economic factors of that company. That is a fundamental approach. And if you look at famous fundamentalists, you would think Warren Buffett, Billy Graham, et cetera, et cetera. That's the fundamental approach, all right? Next, you have the technical approach. And so technical analysis. These people primarily use computers and they use math to analyze these markets, and they're considering all the math and all the data, not just the fundamentals. And they're primarily using just technical analysis, which means just the computer to crunch the numbers, okay? And next, you have quantitative analysis. Now, quantitative analysis is a more advanced version of technical where they're only using data. They don't consider any of the outside factors outside of can it be crunched by numbers and can we use financial modeling to forecast and potentially predict what that outcome will be with a high probability of success, okay? So you got fundamental, you got technical, and you got quantitative. And then more recently, you have what's called quantamental. So these people are quants, they use the financial modeling, they use the math, and the computers, but they also consider the fundamental analysis, and they put all of them together in their analysis and in their financial modeling for predictive opportunities, okay? So you have fundamental, Warren Buffett, Billy Graham. You have technical analysis, like Paul Tudor Jones is one of famous technical analysis traders. You have quantitative, Jim Simons, Edward Thorpe. Most recently, you got Ken Griffin. And those hedge fund managers that only use algorithms and run quant shops. And then you have quantamental like AQR, where they also are looking for factor type of signals that can include fundamental and technical and quantitative. Okay, so those are your overall approaches to trading and or investing. And once you understand the approach that works best for you, then you can decide if you want to trade and if you want to invest, and then use that approach in defining your strategy to find your edge.